Variation number 3. Beautiful, dynamic and strong variation based on the classic two-step pattern with extra layer. In our case, this is a hook step. What makes this variation so powerful and dynamic? Of course, the sweep to the hook and the kick and change of the side, which is happening one after another almost at the same moment. So it is very important to understand how it's connected and to catch the flow of that movement. I will try to do it as slow as possible, try to focus on the movement and repeat it. So I'm gonna start from the right leg straight to the sweep, to the hook, kick and changing the side. One more time, changing my legs. The higher you can execute the hook, the more effect this variation gonna have, the more impact, the more dynamics and the more amplitude. So try to execute it as high as possible after the sweep. And to make it work good, I can recommend you to do it separately. For example, just from the sweep to go to the hook and to make a kick without the turn. Just to feel the movement. Okay, one more time. Once you feel good within this movement, you feel the control in your hand, then after the kick, try to change.